Following complaints from local residents regarding the absence of a medical officer at the Padu State Dispensary in Padu, Mausku, the Nyotreb Youth Council, War Jaiñtia Circle, met with P. Gashna, the compounder of B Pharma, to discuss the issue. Speaking to the media, HYC leaders expressed concern that since the transfer of the previous medical officer several months ago, the government has yet to appoint a replacement. This prolonged vacancy, they said, has caused significant hardship for the local populace who depend on the dispensary for medical services. The organization further urged upon the state government to take immediate action, noting that repeated appeals on the matter have gone unanswered. They also recommended that the dispensary be upgraded to the status of a primary health center to ensure better healthcare facilities for the area.
Haganega po ni nagalang ka HYC War Jaiñtia Circle ngiwan ban ya kendo ya inong tray jong ka state dispensary ban ngilayo ban ya discuss ban ya kren ban ya peliu jimut halor ki jing jong ki pajba nong song snong baro kini ki bahap hapo ka state dispensary tingilayo ya ka report na kato katne bat kumjuro na irang ba snong ibala penpau ya gijinge bat gijing snau kia halor kajing bamdon doktor nadu benai jun kabamut palat san benai ngiladu ya u medical officer kane kajing bamdon u medical officer kawanra kajing du nong kabakrau amtang ya kinong tray Henry kajing kadai ya ki pajba ki badan kam si bun ki jing mentoy nadu ki dawai dishon lene kita ki test ki baper kamtam ki long kimi ki bapun ki bakha haba donu doktor ki la ban yo ya ki kinja kot ki kinja certificate bakin late kino ki jing ki hospital ki baper ban yo ya ki jing rap kam kloy te hakane ka por ni ud ni karpat ya o health minister bodon burom jongi bap unle na kabenta ka state dispensary ka bala slam tam hapo ka jala ka jongi bat hapo ka than amlarem subdivision ke jongi ka Padu state dispensary kalalong ka way na ki dispensary ka balala ban ai jing mentoy sibun ba te ka pol sai sisin ni ban biang ya ka sorkar langbau health minister badan burom baun yale bat unshim kia kloy ban wanra ya medical officer bat ban penbeng ya ka bakongsan bat ya ki jaka bu dawai ki store kum ki fresh kenang ba kini ki dawai ki nam pot ki nam susep bat kalong ka jingdu ka bakraw lada ki dawai ki duno te hakane ka po ni banjur sa sisin ya ka sorkar bakan simkhia halor kitu ki issue ki bangi ngila yale ban karpat ya ka sorkar banle kloy no ya kini ki issue ki ba pilakular na kabenta jongi ki pajba ki badon hakane ka than warwes ke jongi
ba kan sim khiaru ban kum ke jing patkan mau ka bay day bat kan ka set dispensary ba kan snow pha ban sim khia ban kan tiu sak PAC namar kalong ka badon kam du kata kata ka bay day bat ni pinong song snong bat kum juru para marjan di baju yawan jangan nak jaga ban sim dawai lene ban sim kilat jerap di babun chan burkom ban kabide bat kinu kunu gebenta kabide bat kana kilong hakal yang kum ka isu jong ka kene ka basar state teruk long badan kamha deng kerpat nagalang sarkar bakan lek ham kloy ban ai kita kilat jerap nak leng jongi kum kasnong bat kan long ke jing ku bat kan long ke jing mentoy habaro ki isnong ke badan saudong kai balong paramar jan snong jongi nadu isnong hangla long bare am ko situ sedu isnong malong isnong amutong ki basaiwan pan wat ilat ki lat ki ram te nak leng jongi kum kasnong nimdon ketin hisibun harai isibu ke jing kerpan ya health minister jongi badan burom pom sim kia ya kena benta namar kena dispensary kena state dispensary kam desu ka ba dang sulong sen hari kalong ka bala aslam ha bat kumta ibu ke kerpan ya ka sorka bat kamtam yo o health minister jongi pom sim kia ban petelun ya ka kicing kwa ba kicing sang jongi sim pajba nak kalian kesilong, buat nak kalian na i kini ketan, kini kesilang besar di baru awal.